Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will write a Python program to find greatest of three numbers by using if-else ladder and by using an relational operator. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video link with your friends and family members, share the video links in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. In this video, I will write a Python program to find the greatest of given three numbers by using an if-else ladder. First, I am opening the Python interpreter. Once the Python interpreter has been opened, I will create a new file by using a shortcut key Ctrl+N. So this is the interpreter. Then now I will create a new file by pressing Ctrl+N, that is a shortcut key. So this is the new file and this is called the script mode. That is the way how we write the program here. So first I will write a comment by mentioning the program name as Python program to find the greatest of given three numbers. Python program to find greatest of given three numbers by using if-else ladder. Right. In this particular program, I will be using the relational operator. I will be using a relational operator. I will be using a relational operator. Okay. So first, to find the greatest of given three numbers, we require four variables or just three variables or enough. So first I will take three variables and I will read the values in those variables. First I will write a space equal to space int open bracket input. I am writing the input function. So to get the more information regarding the input function, you can watch my previous videos. Single quotes, enter the value of first number, single quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close, press enter. Next I will read the value of second number by writing b equal to, that is b space equal to space, again int open bracket input within a bracket single quotes, enter the value of second number space single quotes close, bracket close, bracket close, press enter. Now I'll read the third value by writing c space equal to space int open bracket input open bracket within instead of single quotes I am writing a double quotes, which is also can be done. For more information you can watch the previous videos. So enter the value of third number space double quotes close, bracket close, again bracket close. So these three statements will be displayed and we will be entering the values, and those values will be stored in A, B and C respectively. Then after that I will use an if-else ladder statement. So that can be written as if space the condition A space greater than B, and I am using a logical operator, and A space greater than C colon, right? A is greater than B and A is greater than C. If these two conditions are satisfied, then in the next line, so press tab, you can see the indentation. So from that point you need to write the next step. So here you need to write print open bracket within a double quotes greatest number is double quotes close comma a bracket close, right? So I'll copy this particular statement so that I can repeat that one in the next further statements. Then now the indentation it is showing, that is the cursor is in the next line, it is at the P, but you have to start from the backwards, that is from the starting point of that line. That means you need to press backspace. Now you need to write another one condition, that is else if. So else if in Python is written by writing elif, that means else if. Then B space greater than C and B space greater than C colon enter. Now you can see the indentation there, it has came directly there. Print open bracket within a double quotes, we need to write the greatest number is, right? I'm using the paste option, Control V, greatest number is. Now if this condition has been satisfied, that is B is greater than A and B is greater than C, now the greatest number will be B. Press enter. Now again press the backspace, then again write else if, that is elif in Python C space greater than A and C space greater than B colon, press enter, then write print greatest number is C. More information regarding a print statement you can watch the previous videos in my YouTube channel. Then at last else colon, if none of these conditions satisfies, then we need to write as print all numbers are equal. So I'll just use the paste option. So here what we can write within a double quotes, we can write as all the numbers are equal, all the numbers are equal. Okay, now save the program. The shortcut key is Control S. So here save, I will write as GRT3. Click on save. To run the program, the shortcut key is F5, that is the function key. Now it is displaying enter the value of first number, I'll give 10, enter the value of second number, I'll give 5, enter the value of third number, I'll give 40. So now you can see which is the highest, 40. So it will display greatest number is 40. That means what? First it has came here A greater than B and A greater than C. 10 is greater than 5, yes. Then 10 is greater than 40, no, condition becomes false. So it will come to the elif. So to this one, B is greater than C and B is greater than A, right? It has to be B is greater than A and B is greater than C. So here 40 greater, that is 5 is greater than 10, no, condition becomes false. Then it will come to be elif here. C is greater than A and C is greater than B. So 40 is greater than 10, yes. And 40 is greater than 5, yes. So condition is satisfied, therefore it is displaying greatest number is C. Okay, so here I had made a mistake. Here I have written C and I have changed it now to the B, right? So again I will run once again. So I'll give the first number as 10, second number as 5 and third number as 40. So it will display greatest number is 40. Now suppose I want this one, the greatest number is A, this has to be displayed. That means what? I have to give the number of B and C such that it should be less than A. So now I'll run once again by pressing F5. So I'll give 5 and the value of B as 3 and 2. Press enter. So now it is displaying greatest number is 5. That means here A is greater than B and A is greater than C. 5 is greater than 3 and 5 is greater than 2. These two conditions are satisfied. And you know regarding the logical operations, so more details regarding the logical operation you can watch the previous videos. Then next is I want the second one, that means this one, this condition has to be satisfied. That means the second number should be a greater one. So press F5, then I'll give 10 and the second number as 24 and the third number as 2 or 21. Okay, so now you can see 24 is the greatest. So greatest number is 24. That means now the first initially this condition is checked. A is greater than B and A is greater than C. 10 is greater than 24, condition becomes false. It will come to the elif. Then 24 is greater than 10, yes, and 24 is greater than 21, yes. Therefore it is displaying this particular statement, greatest number is B. Okay, suppose if all the numbers are given same, then it will come to this else part and it will be displaying all numbers are equal. We shall try that one. So come to the script mode, press again F5. Now give all the values as same. So I'll give all the values the same, 10, again 10, the third number also 10. Press enter. So it displays all the numbers are equal. So in this particular program, I have find the greatest of given three numbers by using if else ladder and by using a relational operator, as well as I have used an logical operator also. Right. So this one, greater than symbol, that is a relational operator, and this and the keyword which we have used, that is an logical operator. So this is an program which illustrates relational operator, logical operator and if else ladder. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video link in various social media networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.